Welcome to SPARKies. Let's learn about Excel's Quick Access Toolbar in 3 minutes or less. With the Quick Access Toolbar, you can create a personalized toolbar with the actions you use most, like sum, insert rows, and more. The toolbar will be located in the ribbon next to the document name. Let's add our first action from the Home tab. To add sum to your toolbar, right-click on the sum icon, then click Add to Quick Access Toolbar. The icon will appear in the ribbon. We can use the same steps for inserting a row and inserting a column. Since actions can be added from any tab, let's go to the Data tab and add Remove Duplicates to the toolbar. To remove an action from your toolbar, right-click on the icon, then select Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. If you have any questions about the Quick Access Toolbar in Excel, contact your Digital Integration Specialist.